Hi, welcome back to Horilla Technical Series. Today we are going to discuss how to handle Quick Export. Quick Export is part of Horilla's Quick Actions. In our list view, we have enabled bug selection option so that we can see the Quick Actions also. Here, if we select one item, we can see export option here. These export and Quick Actions are uh, enabled by default. If you want to disable them, just go to the code and add the attribute quick export to false. If you come to the list view and check once again, there is no export option here. Let's go back to the code and let's enable the quick export feature. Now let's go back and check for the if server is loading. Wait. Mm, Okay, we have enabled the quick export. By using the quick export feature, we can download the data in the list view as PDF or Excel file or JSON or CSV right from the list view itself. Let me show you. I'm selecting some data and adding the export option. We can see all the columns that are currently in the list view. Here we have the option to choose with which format we want to download the report here. Now I'm using Excel. I'm exporting this. It's downloaded. You can see the here we can see all the uh, data are downloaded as Excel copy. Okay. Since the comment we had it as a custom template, it is not shown here. All other details are fetched from the database and added to the uh, custom uh, custom Excel report. As you can see in the export, we can see different columns here. These are the columns that will be added as the heading of the Excel column or PDF like that. If you don't want any fields, please untick the boxes and choose the format and just download it. We have downloaded and we can see other details are not here. Only the selected data are here. The file name of exported reports can be changed by default. Default file name will be quick export. I can show you. The downloaded files are here. I have downloaded Excel and a PDF file. Both are named quick export, XLXS, and quick export PDF. For changing the file name, you need to go to code and add the file name here. The file name we need to add the attribute export file name and give the file name here and then shift the report. Okay, now when we go and download the report, I'm downloading the report as JSON file. We can see name changed from export to shift report, and we can save it. Okay, here you can see the four columns we selected and the details here. Okay, guys, that's all about quick export. I hope you understand what we discussed today. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below or reach out to us at support@horilla.co.